In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete account in WordPress. Before we begin, a quick heads up. This process applies to WordPress.com accounts, and deleting an account is permanent. It removes the account itself along with all sites and content tied to it. If you might need anything later, consider exporting your content first. Start by heading to WordPress.com and opening your account's homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar. Click that avatar to open your profile menu. From that menu, choose the option to edit your profile. This takes you to your profile area where you can manage personal details and settings. Inside the profile area, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Account Settings. This is where WordPress groups the controls for your overall account, separate from individual site settings. After opening Account Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. The option you need is located there, so keep scrolling until you see it. At the bottom, find and select Delete your account permanently. Pause here for a moment and read the information on the screen. WordPress makes it clear that deleting your account will also delete all of your sites and their content. Make sure that's truly what you want and that you've saved anything important. When you're certain, click Delete Account. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure. This is designed to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm by selecting Delete Account again. Next up, you'll see a screen with a Continue button. Click Continue to move forward with the final verification step. To confirm account deletion, type your username exactly as requested in the box provided. This is another safety check to ensure the right account is being removed. Double check your spelling, then finalize by clicking Delete Account. Once you do, the deletion request is submitted and you'll be signed out. From here, the process is irreversible. If your intention was only to remove a single site, transfer ownership, or reduce notifications, those are handled in different areas of WordPress. But if your goal is to permanently close your WordPress.com account, the steps you've just followed are the correct and complete path. That's it. You've learned how to navigate to your profile, open account settings, review the warnings, and confirm deletion securely. Thanks for watching, and take care when making permanent changes like this to ensure it's the right move for you.